Hello my lovely crafters! I plan to make another video for today with food for dolls, but when I start to make it, I thought maybe we can make a simple house which look like in real life, and I made the template to see how it could be. So let's do it, and Paper Julie will help us today. I will use poster board, but bigger size than this. Free printables from my blog MakePaperDolls.com. The link as always I will leave in the description of this video. Glue and scissors. We start with living room. Cut one edge from the right part of the image. Then I put glue on the left part of the living room and glue it on poster board. Next we need to glue the right side and make sure the pattern matches. Cut out the room, the same way I make the kitchen. I cut the edge from the right part, glue left side on poster board and then glue the right side. And cut it out. Then glue both rooms on a stripe of paper, leaving a small space between them. So now we can fold rooms in the middle. The same way I made bedroom and bathroom. And before we glue them together, I want to add more details. Glue the table and island on poster board. Carefully cut them out. Add glue on the sides of the table and glue it in place, so dolls can sit behind it. And I've got a bit of mess here, so I glue a picture on the wall to cover it. Then add glue on the side of the island and glue it in the kitchen, so dolls can stand behind it. In the bedroom, I take my stationery knife and I make cut on top edge of the blanket, so dolls can sleep inside. And with bathroom, I make the same way. Now we need to glue the kitchen and bedroom together, but I will add glue on all page except this part, because here will be a pocket for dolls. Next, we need to glue a cover of the book. So first I glue a stripe on one side, then I turn it over and glue another part. For bathroom, I glue a piece of computer paper to make a pocket too. Then I cut out all the pages with house and glue them one by one, first on the front side and then on the back side. Even though my pictures weren't of very good quality, I think it turned out quite well. We made not only a house where we can play with dolls, but also a nice background. And as I see, Paper Julie needs a new dress. Let's make a simple one that matches the colors of the house. So I take a pink fabric and I made 2 stripes. I didn't measure them, I made them a little bit bigger than I need. Take a small stripe, fold one edge and sew a straight line. Repeat for a bigger stripe, but here I fold the edges too. Next I measure which size will be the top of the dress and sew one more line on the sides. Trim the excess and add a snap button. One piece I add to the good side and another to the inside. Now we put it on the doll. Look nice! Then I take a skirt and on the top I make a simple seam. Pull the thread and gather the skirt on the sides of the top. Put them good side to good side and sew a line. The dress is ready and I will add ribbon for a belt. Let's try it on a doll. And this is how it looks. Okay, the skirt looks a bit heavy. Maybe I should have chosen a lighter fabric for this dress, but I didn't have it. You know, I always try to do perfectly, but I never can. But it's okay. Forget about perfection. Anyway, Paper Julie looks nice in this house. When I was little, I really loved making dresses like this for paper dolls. And now I'm grown up, but it seems like nothing has changed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!